How to use PineTales buckwheat pillows. Our buckwheat pillows are filled with buckwheat hulls that can move around inside the pillow to perfectly fit your body and your needs. These hulls are a natural and sustainable pillow filler. You can adjust the height of this pillow by adding more to make it taller and firmer, or removing some to make it shorter and less firm. Now that you know how to customize it, we're going to show you how to use a buckwheat pillow when you sleep on your side. Lie down on your back on the pillow, making sure your shoulders are on the mattress and not on the pillow. Your head should not be tilted upward or downward when lying on the pillow. This way, the curves of your neck are properly supported for you. Then, roll onto your side. Since everyone's neck curvature is slightly different, this pillow can easily be molded to cradle the curves of your unique head and neck curvature. To do so, push the top of the pillow downward toward your shoulders, and then push the side of the pillow inward toward your face. You want to mold the holes inside so that they fill space fully between the top of the shoulder and the neck. If you feel discomfort anywhere, for example near the ear region, you can simply move those holes out of the way with your hand. And you're all set. Now, if for some reason you wake up with any sort of neck or shoulder discomfort, then your pillow may not be providing you with enough support. So remember, you can always go back and add in more of those buckwheat hulls to provide more support for yourself. Or consider switching to use a cylindrical pillow like our neck roll pillow, which will provide more support and height under the neck. And one more tip for you if you're sleeping on your side is to use extra pillows for more support for your top arm as well as those legs. Because without it, you may have some discomfort in the arm and back region. So try hugging a second pillow between your arms to keep that top arm elevated and reduce any stress on your shoulder. Then try placing a third pillow between your legs to support your upper leg and reduce any strain on the hip and lower back region. Thanks for joining us for this side sleeping tutorial. Be sure to check out our other pillow products today.